The future of AI isn't in the clouds. It's right here on solid ground. Local doesn't mean limited. Local means control. Local means everything works together, right where you are. LlamaFarm makes AI tangible, so you can build, see, and shape your projects in real time. And today we're introducing the LlamaFarm Designer, a new way to visualize and refine your AI projects. LlamaFarm, the power of AI closer than ever.
Welcome everyone, Rob Thielen here from LlamaFarm. Very excited to show off our latest and greatest. We are launching the new Designer app today. And this might sound similar to the Designer we launched a month ago, but this is an actual app. It's an app that you can download from the internet and install on your computer. And you don't need to know a CLI. You don't need to know what Llama is. We are fully launching our new universal runtime. It'll pull everything down for you, and you can start making AI apps right now without any knowledge of code, any knowledge of what RAG is, any knowledge about how to set up a database, how to set up parsing, and all the other things that go into making a great AI project. It's all here, it's all easy, and I'm gonna show it off right now. So this is the new LlamaFarm app. Download it. As you can see, it's a straight up app. It's even got a little app icon, and it does everything that the LlamaFarm Designer can do and more, because it sets up your backends, it sets up your models, it sets up everything else. So I'll show you an end-to-end demo real quick. Right when you come in, you can start up. We have this really cool demo project called Llama and Alpaca Encyclopedia. What this is going to do is, if I click on it, it's going to basically bootstrap an entire AI project for you. It has all the prompts. It's got all the information. It even tells you how to do it. It's got all the it's got tons of knowledge about alpacas and llamas in there. It parses it, it chunks it, it vectorizes it, it puts it in a database, and then we'll be able to actually chat with it. So here is our chat window. You're going to see that we have this new cool Qwen 3 model up and running. We're fully supporting GGUFs now and everything else that goes into it. And I can now chat with it. So I'm going to start off without thinking, and I can say like, what do llamas eat? Be short. And right now I have thinking turned off, so it will very quickly give me an answer. And again, this is running 100% on my computer. And now I can turn on thinking, and I can say, what is a llama's temperature? Misspelled. Be short. I like a good short response. And again, in seconds, it shows you the thinking steps right here. And then it gives you the very quick answer. So it's all set up. What's really cool about this, and Rachel's gonna go into this a bit more, but you can customize every aspect of this and any other project you have. You can add data, you can update the parsing methods, you can update the models, and of course you can test it in real time. So this is the new Designer. You can download it right now. Links will be in the notes down below to download it. We can also go to our GitHub repo, and you can download it from there as well. So I'm going to pass it off to Rachel, who's going to go into the Designer in more detail. Rachel?
Hey everyone, I'm Rachel from LlamaFarm, and I'm going to show you a little bit more about the app that Rob just showed. Aside from the very exciting demo that he just gave, oh, there it goes. I just wanted to walk through some of the latest features to the Designer on top of what we launched a few weeks ago. So when you come to the homepage, if you only have 1 or 2 projects, if you're new, you'll see this quick start demo, which is what he just went through. But now when I go into a project, there are a couple of things worth pointing out. So first off, if you've ever played around with the data processing, we've added a lot more progress to how your data processing looks and feels and stays there. So you have a lot more context as you go through processing to understand what's happening, why something skipped, why something failed. You can see right there that just successfully processed. It made 2 chunks. It's a pretty short PDF about border collies. And then later I can come back and check on recent processing results. And so that's helpful because before you might kick off a big processing and come back and your data looks like it hasn't processed or isn't there. So we've inserted a lot of updates to make sure that the data all makes sense. You can see what happened last time and then make sure it's tracking with what you would expect it to do. And then we've also introduced a lot of new changes to the models page. So not only can you swap out the model that is connected to your project or multiple models in your project, but you can now also add GGUF models. So in this area at the bottom, we have a couple that we recommend, and we have more coming out with this, but I can just click and simply download and add a new model to my project. I already have that one, so it added really quickly and just populated on my inference models section. But if you don't have a model, it will download in the background and also appear in your disk section. So if you already have some models on your disk, we can detect them here and you can add them really quickly. So we're trying to make that a lot easier. And like Rob said, that comes into play in the test area. So now if I want to switch to that new model I just added, I can ask about border collies. Let's see, where did border collies come from? And now it's using that model to answer my question from the data I just processed. Might be taking a minute here. There we go. But yeah, those are some of my favorite latest features to the designer experience. We've also just cleaned up a lot of stuff, so let us know what you think and try it out.
Awesome. So bottom line is that we have shipped a really interesting new app that makes it incredibly easy for anyone to try LlamaFarm. We got some feedback from some users that they really wanted this, and I hope that you all try it out. Again, we are available on Mac, Windows, and Linux, so you can download them right now, check it out, and give us feedback. This is in beta, it's new, and it's really cool. The other cool thing I want to talk about real quick is this doesn't just make a little app that you can chat with. It actually exposes all these endpoints to any app that you might be building. So you can add agentic workflows, you can add apps to it. We've done some really cool prototyping around this, and it really gives you a lot of power and really moves AI to the edge. So enjoy it, give us feedback, and welcome to the new AI future. Thank you very much.